Especially when you think about how we get to a point of where we have technical debt.
Yeah.
It's all upstream. Poor decisions. We don't want to use this code base anymore. We never wanted to use that code base. V1 city, like we just live in this V1 space because a lot of times we want to show up in market as always thinking about new and innovative things, but come on. Our customers would really like it if you would just fix what you already put out sometimes.
Right. Totally, yeah.
So revisit what you do. So I think the shifting the mindset to thinking about things as a team, right? You have functions that do a great job of listening to customers. They can open doors for product people and engineers to come in and sit with customers, right? Marketing people actually knowing what's coming down the pipe and if it's really, really ready and baked. I've seen ad campaigns go out of large enterprises where the colors for the product were completely different from what actually ended up launching because they had a schedule and they wanted to get their ad buys in, right? And so while there has to be some planfulness in what we do, there has to be some flexibility. And usually the person that is in that position, in that discipline of, say, the marketer, they're going to know where they can be flexible versus where they can't. So you have an obligation as a product person, as a designer, as an engineer, to say, this is where we are with stuff, and this is what we think needs to come, because they'll go, oh, okay, I can reorder things. I can do this first. I can, and then I can maybe answer some questions you still have about product market fit and things like that, right? So why wouldn't you? But I think the truth of the matter is that a lot of us like to control things. We don't like ambiguity. We're certainly not very flexible as humans. And then we're not incentivized to work that way. We don't all share the same metrics for success.
Yeah.
And I could go on and on, but.
Yeah, well, I mean, they're also not incentivized to really change, right? Because I mean, nobody loves change, but it gets easier when friction is reduced and things like that too, right?
Yes.